GTA Math, what's up? So today we're gonna work on a linear equation. We just gonna solve for y. These are pretty straightforward once the technique makes sense, and it's really just making sure you find the greatest common factor ASAP. At least in this problem, because we got some fractions. So I'm gonna teach you how to chop this up, make life simple. Yep. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all of these terms on the bottom, 2, 5, 4. And I'm going to just think of some numbers that all of these multiply with that make a bigger number. So I know that 2 times 5 equals 10. I know that 5 times 4 equals 20. And when I think about it, this number works with all of these for our GCF. So I'm going to take this 20 actually, and I'm going to multiply it over 1 by everything. So it's going to go here, here, and to this last part. So what that's going to look like on the next step is this. We're going to end up with 20 y over 2 minus 20 y over 5. And lastly, we're going to have 20 over 4. So the next thing we're going to do is simplify. And I'm spelling stuff out. I must be feeling good. Well, I am feeling good, actually. So this is step 1, GCF. We found the greatest common factor. We multiplied everything by 20. Now we're going to simplify this. So we got 20 divided by 2. That's going to be 10y minus 20 divided by 5. That's going to be 4y. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So ironically, the greatest common factor is equal to the smallest positive integer. That is something I'm not elaborating on, but I'm just showing you that these same numbers, 2, 5, and 4, that we had up here, as we simplify these fractions, we started getting the same numbers back that we had when we multiplied everything by 20. We have a 5 here, and we have a 4. And if you think about it, 20 divided by 2 gives you 10, and we got a 10 here. So these same numbers we multiplied to find the GCF for, now we have all of these reduced numbers here, and now we're just combining like terms and solving for y. So we use the greatest common factor method, we simplify it, and now we're just going to do this. 10 minus 4, that's 6. We're going to bring the y's with us. And then we have a 5 here. And the last thing we're going to do is divide. So we're going to divide this 6. And we're going to end up with y equals 5 over 6. So the trick to these kind of problems is just making sure when you start, you find the greatest common factor out of these denominators. So then that way you can make everything just a regular whole number eventually. So once we multiplied everything in this step right here, we were able to simplify and reduce these fractions. Once we reduced the fractions, we got to this next step, and we just combine like terms. And then lastly, when we got here, we just divided. So GTA Math, I appreciate you sticking with me. Thank you for still tuning in, checking out the content, watching the videos. And let's continue to learn, love, grow together in this journey of life. Stay tuned. We're going to keep uploading. We're going to make the videos cooler. Everything is just going to keep going up. So thank you.